folks. Like, I can't really come up with nothing better than that. Like, I don't really know what to say. Like, hey guys, what's up? Hey, how are you? Hello. Got this wig from this wig company. I've never heard of them before. Like, there are so many different wig companies I ain't never heard of. Okay, so I don't know what to tell you about that, but I just ain't never heard of them. And yes, I do have the same shirt on from a couple other videos because I really didn't feel like changing my shirt. I think I look nice in blue anyway. So QueenLife, they sent me their 18-inch 13 by 6 lace frontal. This is the straight one. $3 off over $99, $9 off over $149, $15 off over $199, and the list goes on. So they sent me a 180% 18-inch Brazilian virgin human hair straight wig, lace front, and it's 13 by 6 inches. This is their packaging. Badam, hello, a badam. Okay, badam. All I got inside of it was the wig and a wig cap. I don't remember no elastic band, so I didn't put one in there, you know what I'm saying? So whooped with that. Okay. So prior to this video, I did bleach the knots. The lace is like really soft. Some of the knots in it didn't lift like I expected it to lift. Like, you know, to be honest, this is an 18-inch lace front. The price of this for 180% density, 18 inches, 13 by 6 inches is $171. Some people may think that's a little bit too pricey. So I washed it, I pre-plucked it, I bleached it. Like I just said, some of the knots didn't lift like completely, like they weren't, like I can see them, but they're very light brownish. And I know I left this on for long enough. But we're just gonna try this out. I'm gonna have to do like what I normally do. I might have to, you know, add a little bit extra, but you know, we're gonna see, girl. The lace color looks like it's actually light enough for my skin tone. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put on some music, girl. We're gonna listen to some music, or I'm gonna listen to some. Let's do this. All right, ladies, I did have to kind of like use some of my concealer on some of the knots that was a little tiny bit visible. Like there's some, they're not all over. It's not like in one particular area. There may be like a couple here and there and then elsewhere. So I just put them to where I noticed them at and where you can see them. But for the hair quality on a scale of 1 to 10, I would probably say like a 6.5, because I have had hair where it's a little bit more lustrous than this. This is almost, this is like a very low luster, but I did notice that it felt like, you know, kind of dry in certain areas. And you know, I just say like on a scale of 1 to 10, I'll probably give it like a 6.5 to a 7. I'm not sure if I didn't leave the bleach on long enough. I did bleach 6 wigs that day all together, and you know, I try to go and check on them, and so I did check on this one. It did give me like that blondish color on the side here, which I ended up cutting off because the cat was kind of big. So that's another thing. If you got like one of them big heads, like, you know, I'm not saying like it's really that big and all, but you know, like if it's like a little bit bigger than average, you know, you got a lot of hair and stuff like that, you probably got like this really big brain, you so smart. But if you have like an above average size head, you'll definitely be able to fit this wig, girl. I'm telling you, like, I had to put the straps really close, cross them over, and plus you guys seen how big the wig was on me, so I did have to cut some off. But the lace did melt easy. Like this wig dried super easy, or basically the hairspray dries easy. I love the Got To Be hairspray because it dries instantly. So that hairspray is like my #1 go-to hairspray now until I run out of them. You know, then I gotta go and buy them online for like $10 when I should have bought every last one of them at the Dollar Tree that day. But no, I didn't. But you know, I know for next time, if there is another one, next time. But I do like how it ended up. I curled it out. You know what I'm saying? Easy style. This density, they said it was 180. To me, honestly, I feel like this is like 150. It's definitely not 130, but I feel like it's 150 only because I have had 180 before. But you know, it depends on the actual company, okay? But you know, the hair quality is a low luster. It did shed when I actually brushed the hair out. That's probably because I pre-plucked it and bleached it, but it didn't shed excessively. I noticed that was just like a few hair strands here and there. So it might be because I pre-plucked it, because I didn't wash it. Again, after I pre-plucked it, I just bleached it, washed and conditioned it, and then plucked it, and here it is. You know what I'm saying? It's straight hair. Straight hair always seems to look thinner, so it could definitely probably be 180. I know that when I do get straight hair bundles, I always get like an extra bundle because straight hair is super thin. But you know, 18 inches, this is cute though. It ended up being really cute. You know what I'm saying? It really did. It ended up being super cute for the style. You know, I did come on here looking a little bit crazy. So you can check out QueenLife down below. I will post the information. I love you guys. Stay deep and divalicious. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe. Make sure you share this video with everybody in the world. You know what I'm saying? Like all your friends, your family, your cousins, your co-workers, people you don't know, your ex-friends, your ex-boyfriend, your ex-girlfriend, your ex-friends, your ex-cons, whatever. Just share the video. I love you, and I'll see you soon.